Mini cute stress balls. They're so tiny and cute and squishy. I made these with mini Orbeez and a balloon like this one. I have lost some of these, so I want to mix them into a clear slime to keep them together. Woo! That's enough. Wow, this looks cool. Oh, don't run, little fellow. Come here. How should I call this slime? Looks like alien eggs. It's pretty nice and squishy. Is this anti-stress slime? This is a double squishy slime. The stress balls are so squishy and the slime too. It's amazing. I like it very much. This slime is a little bit weird, but feels so nice. So, how should I call this slime? If you have any suggestions, leave your comments down below. See you next time. Bye!